Mrs. Rini Gulali, Additional District and Sessions Judge. Thank you.
Precedented in this district because it happened after 18 years. But if you go to those areas, you can see everything is a nodal agency to take account of all governmental development works. Therefore, district court is very important, not only for the litigant public, but it is also an important organ of the general public at large. By opening the district court at Hamren, West Karbi Anglong, it would be convenient for the litigant public as well as the stakeholders of the district. Before opening of this court at Hamren, the litigant public as well as the stakeholders have to travel about 135 kilometers in one side to attend the district court at Bifu. Therefore, it's a great relief to the litigant public at large. People's confidence in the judiciary must be maintained by ensuring human rights in the right way. The candidate for justice must point the way to the solutions of the problems of the people of all societies, all sections with equal priority. The court building is a part of the judiciary. The new court building would play a special role in solving small and big problems of the people as an ideal temple of justice. And to the end, I would like to request the members of the Bar Association, the district administration as well as the police administration to cooperate with the District Judiciary to dispose of the case early. Because without their cooperation, it may not be possible. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hang Karbi customary law dolo tangte ladak nona judiciary court pen nona Karbi customary
customary law bangke asontin ta ilidum customary law pen ling sayat ndi la solam dula la se customary law pen kwan se tentang sai unjima lagi ilidum customary law bang implement lo kulte halata duko hala bang ta weda jip ke kali sadala da judicial court pen se kang sai alaman ke dak sing sai na ko asontin ke ilidum customary law pen ke ilidum sayat ke uni deji lason alam do lai hu alam sami mu ilitum kit hegatum dola nili lahai alam bang kute lan aklong pen chini et ke galidet rasi mu aklong pen chini bang pen silitum cherjutu pen kladat alam sami dum jithalong